Welcome to Tania's Money Tips, where you'll discover insider secrets on how to save time and money when buying, refinancing, and maintaining your home. This episode is brought to you by Tania Discombe of Mortgage Alliance, the #1 mortgage choice for home buyers. Now, here's your money tip.
It may be tempting to look at today's relatively low mortgage rates and consider breaking out of your mortgage early to get a better rate. Certainly, if your existing rate is significantly higher than today's rates, this might make economic sense. But before you decide, consider what you might have to pay an IRD, interest rate differential. An IRD is a prepayment penalty charged by a bank when you break out of your mortgage early. When a bank lends money, it borrows those funds from investors and guarantees to pay the investors a certain return over time. If you break out of your mortgage early, the interest the bank was earning is no longer coming in, so it doesn't have enough funds to continue paying investors the agreed upon rate. To make up the difference, it charges IRD, interest rate differential. Current interest rates affect how much IRD you pay. If rates are rising, which means the bank can replace your mortgage with one at a higher rate, the IRD is generally lower. And if rates are dropping, the IRD is generally higher. Another consideration is that if you break out of your mortgage to go to a new lender, you usually have to pay about $1,000 in legal fees. The way banks calculate IRDs is complicated, and it takes into account your existing rate, what current rates are, how big your balance is, and how much time is left on your term. Some people feel that if your balance is at least $250,000 and the difference between your existing rate and the new rate is at least 0.5%, then it makes sense to break out of your mortgage since the IRD will be lower than the interest you'll save in the future. However, the only way to know for sure if it makes sense to break your mortgage early is to have an analysis done of your specific situation. To take advantage of this free, no-obligation service, call us today.
Thank you for watching this episode of Tania's Money Tips. If you have any questions, please call Tania today at 403-890-2861.